been on sale for a minute. That's what's up. LeBron 17 Lakers colorway. I think this is the cheapest we've seen these. We got these Jordan 1 mids. 70 bucks, $69.99, you guys, man. It's a really nice colorway, dude. This is really sick. And they're going for $69.99. Top 3 mid going for $69.99. I think I've seen these before. These look clean. Oh, I'm a fan of these. 60 bucks, not my size though. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, I don't have my microphone or my headset, so I'm hoping the video works out. But yeah, I'm at the Northridge Mall. They got a bunch of shoe places here, so yeah. Now my family's at Dave & Buster's, so I just kind of neglected them and left it for a bit. Yeah, but you know, we need to do what we need to do to get content, right? So yeah, let's go check out the shoe stores, you guys. See, they got a Finishline. They got a Shoe Palace. They got a Foot Locker. No, I'm missing one more. Oh, and the Champs. So yeah, let's go see what's up. Not in that order. Let's go see what's up. Champs is the first place. Let's go check out Champs, you guys. These been on sale. That's awesome. These have been on sale. The OG, with the white and with the red stripes. These have been on sale for a minute. That's what's up. Good to see them still on sale. Everything else back up to retail. They do got a good selection though. I have no clue what these are called, but these are the old school high tops. They're not bad. They don't look bad. I'm not copping them, but they don't look bad. They don't. That's a really good price on these night joggers. 80 bucks. That's really good. Okay. And they got this one too. Oh yeah, it's a night jogger as well. Okay. And 130, but go for 80, not bad. Got NMD on sale, a couple of NMDs. It's pretty dope. What do you guys think about this one? I like the colorway on this one. Got the green one right there. Got the Oreo one right there. And we got a couple Marquee Boost lows, 70 bucks. Marquee Boost lows. Hey, not bad. It's almost 50% off. Those are real nice. They do have a bunch of other NMDs. Kind of going for retail. Alright, they got the Lakers. LeBron 17 Lakers colorway. They got the Oreo cookie ones too. Not bad. Not bad. I kind of do prefer the Lakers colorway. Both going for retail because obviously those just came out. Got the Soldiers. Got multiple colors of the Soldiers. Damn, I've never seen a place with this many colorways. It's got, I guess it's a Lakers colorway. Purple and yellow. Or purple and gold, but pretty much yellow. That's the original one. This is the first colorway that came out. I'm a big fan of these. We did see these at the outlets. But it was obviously a returned one, so nothing crazy. Got the bread colorway. Bread colorway, okay. Not bad, huh? And then we got the black and white. And then I got the black, all black. Damn, we got 5 different colorways. Damn. This all black one looks super clean. Yeah. And you guys know they got that upgraded locking system this year. Instead of just a regular Velcro, you can Velcro it up and then you can cinch this part, giving you extra support. Yeah. Really nice locking system. It's gotten a lot better this year. Got 1, 2, 3. Got 4 different colorways of the Kyrie 5s. You know this is the best one. That's the best one, right? The Badulos. I really was surprised. I think I've mentioned this in the past. I thought the splatter pan was like kind of painted, but it's actually stitched on. You can actually see the stitches. Quality does seem nice. This part's like a different fabric. Not bad. Quality is not bad at all, you guys. And we got the what are these? The lows. 1, 2. We got 3 different colorways of the lows. All those still going for retail 110. These are I think going for 130, right? Yeah. The Kyrie 5s are going for 130. The lows are going for 110. KD's on sale. The white ones. Oh, I got like a purplish color to them. I don't know if it shows up on the video. I've got like a purplish hue and then Everything else is pretty much white. Yeah, going for 120. Black cement going for retail. Then we got the LeBrons. LeBron lows. 129. We saw these for 100 at Shoe Palace. And then we got the turquoise color. I don't know what the hell color is. Multicolor. Now going for retail 160. Oh, those black ones. Those black LeBrons are also going for 130. Not bad. We're in the women's section. We got a few NMDs on sale. Got a few NMDs on sale. Not bad. $100. Normally 130. Going for $100. This is that super soft material in the front. I don't know if it's prime knit or what, but $100. $30 off. Not bad. These Ultra Boosts right here. Ultra Boost, not bad. 140. Oh, this is even better. Ultra Boost, dang, Ultra Boost. They got a lot of Ultra Boosts on sale at a lot of places. And these go for 139. That's what's up. Oh man, I'm neglecting all the Ultra Boosts. Look at this. 139 for these and 139 for these. So those are all $50. No, $40 off because they're 180. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. The Air Max Plus, man, this is a dope colorway for the women, man. Look at this. Not bad. A turquoise-ish color. $120, not bad. And these ain't bad either. I'm a big fan of the Air Max Pluses. 120. No, I'm like 160 or something. Yeah. These ain't bad. These are not bad. These going for 150. And these, oh man, look at that. That looks nice. All the shimmering, all the sparkliness. Not bad. That's dope. 140. We did see these on sale. I was hella surprised at the warehouse shoe store. That was on sale. These are on sale here, $100. So $100. All white going for 100 as well. Not bad. They pretty much got all the new stuff. Got the 9 Gym Reds, got the Laker 13s, the Grape 7s. Also got the FIBA 4s. Oh, and yeah, I forgot about the 12s on the bottom right there. The Game Royal 12s. Not one on sale though. Not one on sale. I don't know, champs. I don't know. I've never seen any crazy deals there. So yeah, let's go check out Foot Action. I think that's next. Go to Foot Action. Of course, by Foot Action, you all know I meant Finishline. My bad, you guys. Let's go see what's up with Finishline, you guys. Okay. USA colorway. Going for $40 off. Not bad. Not bad. What do you guys think about these? I like the colorway. Alright, none of these are going to compare to the deals I saw at the outlets, the Adidas outlet, but still, $45 off, and not everybody has an Adidas outlet, so it's not bad. $45 Ultra Boost, $45 off Ultra Boost 2019s, $40 off the Ultra Boost 2019s, this colorway, the black and white, and then even this one got $30 off. If you have to, if you gotta have it, you know that it's not low enough for me, but if you gotta have it, ain't bad, not bad. The OG, what, the Fruity Pebbles, these go for retail. I'm a big fan of this. I'm a big fan of this one. Huge fan of this. And then some of the other 2019s, I guess, not on sale. I guess some of these are not on sale. But yeah, these are hella interesting. These are interesting. They look like denim or something, dude. But no, not bad. All blue. Not bad, you guys. We got some elements that I've never seen. I've never seen this colorway. Kind of cool. Different colors. Never seen that colorway. I've seen these around. Not bad. Not bad. Got the Presto Reacts. Are these a new colorway? I have no clue. I don't really look at the Presto Reacts at most places, so not bad. $90 for these and $100 for the other ones. Not shabby, not shabby. I think that should be the regular price, but not bad. Get a little bit discount. The Soldiers, alright. They got all the different colorways of the Soldiers. I think we saw a Champs. Got the 2 colorways of the LeBrons too. LeBron 17s. And then we got the LeBron Lows. LeBron Lows on sale. All 3 colorways on sale. Not that much, but a little bit. Grapes. Got the grapes on sale. I think this is the cheapest we've seen these. That's legit. Not bad. All right, they got these on sale. This is the second place we've seen Laker 13s, but that's pretty much about it here. I'm not gonna go over all of them because yeah, we've been doing that. Last few videos. All right, they do got a whole lot here. The music's loud as hell, so I'm trying not to film here too much, but got a few Vapor Max on sale. 50 bucks off of these. We've seen them for way cheaper. $30 off of these. It's like a newer colorway too. It's a newer one, not bad. That one's not bad. Not paying that much though, but not bad. These 40 bucks off of these. Okay. They got a few stuff here and there, but nothing too crazy. We're gonna go to the next stop, you guys. Next stop. Finishline. I don't know. I feel like their online deals are way better than their deals at the store. I don't know. Like I've always been able to find I've always been able to find really good stuff on their website for really cheap, but I don't know. But actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, they have had those Vapor Max on sale. A few videos back, they did have those Vapor Max on sale for like $109 or something, and then $129 or something. So they have had deals there, but not today. Not today. All right, we're at Shoe Palace. But yeah, we're gonna make this quick because yeah, apparently I'm supposed to be at the other side of the mall right now. So let's make this quick, you guys. $129 for the 6s. Oh no, these are the 7s. My bad, I'm tripping. $129 for the reflective 7s. $129 for the 6s. I forgot what color this is. Is this a nostalgia colorway or I don't know, but $129 though, not bad. How long have they had these here? I'm so surprised they still got these. $189. The suede 5s, man. That's crazy. These are not on sale. You guys already know what's up with these. I've reviewed these plenty of times. At the Lakers, didn't we just see those on sale? These are 90 bucks here. They got the Orlando 10s, just like they had at the Little Tokyo one, $139. They got these purples. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I'm just looking around. Thank you. Got these purple 12s. What the hell? I have no clue. $190. Purple 12s, not bad. Oh, interesting. We got these Jordan 1 mids. 70 bucks. $69.99, you guys, man. That is crazy. That's crazy. Got these white and black ones. This is a really nice colorway, dude. This is really sick. And they're going for $69.99. $69.99. Really clean colorway. Black and white. You know you can't go wrong with black and white, dude. Shit. Nice. Top 3 mid going for $69.99. This is a bigger size, so probably don't have too many of these. And look, they actually got a few more. Look, they got the yellow with the blue right there, and then they got the white with the silver. Those bad boys go for $69.99 too, man. Damn, that's a good deal. Size 7. These are some Blazer Rebels. These actually aren't bad. Oh, okay, yeah, that zipper kind of killed it, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these. So if that's your style, it's all good. It's all good. 50 bucks, though. 50 bucks. Price is right. What's the MSRP on these bad boys? 100. 50% off. That's what's up. Air Max 200, man. These are not on sale anywhere. What are these going for? 120, and they're 70 bucks, you guys. 70 bucks. Air Max 200. That's a size 8. Got a couple of size 8s. Got a few size 8s, man. That's what's up right here. Look at this. As I throw stuff on the ground, my bad. I think I've seen these before. These look clean. Oh, I'm a fan of these. 60 bucks. Not my size though. 60 bucks. Air Max 1s. Air Max 1s. You can't go wrong with Air Max 1s. We got another one right there. Not bad. All right, they got some Continentals, some Filas, some Tangents. Nothing too interesting. So we're gonna call it a day, you guys. Call it a day. By the way, this is the This is the location where they don't have any other basketball shoes. They literally they don't have no Kyries, they don't got no LeBrons, they got nothing. Kind of weird, just Jordan section and casual shoes. So yeah, we're gonna head out. Yeah, man, you guys. Yeah, with all the videos I make, I guess a few of them you're just not gonna find nothing. There were some decent deals if you really want a certain pair of shoes, but there was like nothing that really caught my attention. Nothing where I was like, damn, I really should get these, because really that's usually how I end up getting a lot of shoes, because I'm like they're like the crazy sales, and I'm like, oh shit, I should just cop these. So yeah, there really was none of that. If you like these type of videos, I go out to different places and I look for really sick deals. Yeah, if you like those type of videos, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. You know, let me know if I missed out on any deals, or what your favorite shoe was, or what your favorite deal was. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.